Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester, and today I've decided to do a video on an altcoin called Civic, right? And that is CVC if you guys want to get this up and to do your own research on market cap. This coin itself, this business is a blockchain identity management solution business, right? And basically it's an app you can download on the App Store, and you basically put on your driver's license, your passport. It does the biometrics of your face. It does the biometrics of your face, your phone number. It does the verification of your phone number, your email address, and basically that means, right, anytime you sign up as onto a new account with any business, any website ever, if they're connected to this website called Civic that's hosted on the blockchain, right, if they're connected to this website called Civic here, then you're not going to have to do all the email verification, the phone number verification where they send you in text and stuff, because it's already done. It's already on the blockchain. It's unhackable, right? This is kind of the aim for Civic right now, to basically reduce fraud in terms of verification, in terms of identity verification, in terms of like driver license, passport, all that good stuff there, and basically to make it easier, make identity verification easier for user-based applications, right? So what I was looking at a minute ago, some of the partners that they're currently with, this isn't going to load now, right? It is going to load. Some of the partners that they're currently with, for example, you can see here they've partnered up with a poker company, which is 18 plus, right? You have to be 18 plus to play poker online. So if you're signing up to this coin poker and they're already connected with this app called Civic, right, you're not going to have to do any verification because it's already done. They already know how old you are. Your details are already on this application itself. It's basically like, it's just the future, right? And this is why I'm doing the video, because I do think there's a huge upside potential for this coin, because just figuratively speaking, right? Figuratively speaking, a company like Amazon. Imagine these guys partnered with a company like Amazon. Obviously, we all know Amazon.com. They sell near enough everything. But at this point in time, they struggle to sell products that are 18 plus. They struggle to sell products that are 18 plus. Imagine they adopted Civic in terms of a technology, right? In terms of technology, your account would be literally verified straight away with your identification, with your passport, with your driving license. So in a sense, Amazon would then be able to start selling 18 plus products to everyone 18 plus, because you're already literally verified there and then. And you can obviously imagine what that would do to the price of Civic, right? That would drive it literally insane. And that's just talking about one company. If we're talking about literally, look at alcohol, right? Budweiser, they're partnered with Budweiser. If you want to order Budweiser online and they're connected with Civic, no age verification if you have it itself, right? So it's basically cutting out that middleman, cutting out that time where you have to verify everything. And you can obviously see they're partnered with some huge companies here, some huge establishments, right? So if you think about it, right, if this gets adopted on a mass scale internationally, if you think how many businesses that are out there that need all this verification technology, and if it's floated on the blockchain, it's going to make everything easier. And one of the major points here, it's going to reduce fraud. It's going to reduce fraud, and that's one of the main things that's struggling at the moment. There's a lot of fraud. If you look at how many people get hacked on a daily basis, this is in a sense a lifeline to stop that for businesses, right? If they're connected to this, and that's why I have kind of selected this altcoin, and I do think it's going to have some huge upside potential if it does get adopted by some huge companies. And obviously Budweiser, that's a huge company in itself, right? So we can see some insane gains happening for this coin, and that's why I've done it. And look at the market cap; it's literally only 260 million, not even a billion, right? That is just ridiculously low. In terms of the supply right now, it is 670 million in circulating supply. Total supply, we're looking at a billion. But really, in terms of cryptocurrencies, if this gets adopted by huge businesses like Amazon and Walmart and people like that, who are primarily online businesses now, like Walmart's changing to online quite a lot now in America, right? If they get adopted by businesses like that, buying online to genuinely 18 plus, this is going to go absolutely huge, right? Market cap probably like 60, 70 billion in maybe 6 months if it gets adopted by a huge company. So that could be some insane gains for this coin, and that's why I've chosen to do my video on it right now. A little TA on the chart for where we are right now for this coin. Obviously, back in November when this whole bull run basically started, we have literally progressed, right? We've progressed in this nice healthy uptrend, right? It's been quite parabolic at times, but then we've had correctionary period here, right? At this point in time, this huge dump, obviously, it's down to what Bitcoin did the other day, right? So we do need to take that into account, but But if we're looking at getting in and hodling this, for me personally, I love what it's going to do. I love the idea of the potential of this coin, of this alt gem itself, right? I can see this literally, this price just going to the absolute moon here. And that's why I'm going to get in. That's why I'm going to hodl, because all it takes is one company, and we're going to see some insane surges to the upside. Literally insane surges to the upside. That's 96,000% crazy. But yeah, insane surges to the upside, and the supply is literally 1 billion, so it's not even that high, right? So I'm just going to say, look, I'm getting this in my portfolio. I'm not telling you guys to. I think you should do your own research yourself, because obviously nothing I say is financial advice. It's just my opinions on what I think could happen. And I just like to give my insight on the coins that I am going to be dumping in my portfolio after I've done my own research, right? In terms of price action and what I think is happening right now, I think we're going to come down a bit more. But as you can see here, from when we bottomed out at around 0.19 cents there, so 19 cents, we bottomed out here in a sense, creating that lower low. We've seen an insane surge of buying power. That insane surge of buying power to the upside, 163% for this coin. So it's obvious there's a lot of buying power in the market, and there's a lot of potential people backing this coin, right? There's a lot of potential people backing this coin at this point in time, depending on what Bitcoin is going to do. If Bitcoin is going to not see that 43,000 mark and not get more involved in terms of a bull market, switch back over to a bull market, and we do see the bear market, I can see this coin coming down with Bitcoin and potentially finding a level of support on this 20-cent zone. So that could be potentially a seriously good hodl zone. But if Bitcoin isn't going to move that much significantly, and we are going to basically progress to the upside in terms of Bitcoin's price, this coin, I can see it basically claiming back to where we were and seeing some new all-time highs getting created pretty imminently, because obviously you can see the buying power that we've had over the last few days or so. And that's basically why I'm doing this video, guys. And that's basically rounding up the video. In terms of what I think could happen in the price. In terms of the RSI, quickly, we do have this line to currently respect, so that could basically initiate us coming up, testing this level of resistance here at 51 cents here. Obviously, quite a big move still, but we do have to get through that. If we can get through that, then I can see us getting overbought fairly soon due to like the favorable fundamentals of this coin, right? The favorable fundamentals of this coin and what it's all about, right? Definitely something I'm getting involved in for myself, right? That's the RSI. The MACD right now, we do have a small uptrend to complete. If we are gonna create some new sort of cycle, that'd be ideal. I can see a horizontal point at around this point here, so that would basically mean some insane buying power to the upside if we are to break this resistance point. Even if we're not to break this resistance point, I can still see us coming up, taking over the all-time high, setting a new point at around maybe potentially $1, right? Maybe potentially $1. Don't want to count the chickens too early and all of that, but potentially we could see an all-time high of $1 here. What I'm seeing on the chart in terms of creating a higher low, in terms of an uptrend. At this point in time, we are in a downtrend on the daily chart for the MACD here. But I can see us basically respecting this line here. And if we are going to come down again on the MACD here, we are going to respect this line in my opinion. And I don't see us going lower than 20 cents, right? That's going to round off the video today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope I've given you a good insight into Civic themselves. And if you like the video, guys, smash that thumbs up. Turn that thumbs up blue. Helps me out tremendously. And if you want to see more alt gem videos like this, hit me up with a subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I stream Monday to Friday in the mornings. So if you want to jump on and trade with me, some real TA stuff going on there, and some potential positions that I'd be looking at, I'd like to educate my opinion across the board there. Yeah, that would be absolutely amazing if you can join me on Monday, well, tomorrow for a stream there, right? But yeah, thanks again for watching the video, and it's peace out from me, Crypto Chester, right?